Okay, so here we are in the game engine, and then way down below here, I have my audio manager, and all I did to create that was just create empty, and then I renamed it to audio manager. I made a blank one of these earlier, I just need to delete it. So then I added a component, and I just added an audio source, and then I dragged my audio clip from my file explorer and just dragged it into here, into my assets, and then from there I just dragged it into my audio clip, and then I checked it to play when the game starts, play on awake, and then the music is set to loop when the song ends, so it'll just play continually. And then here I have my little frog guy. He's got a little box collider. He also has a child in ground detection, and then over here you can see I have a patrol script attached to it, and there is 3 variables: speed, distance, and ground detection. And in our script, you can see it as well. There's also a bool, moving right is true. And so every time it updates, this code right here, it will move my enemy to the right times the speed times regular time. So over a certain period of time, it'll move so and so amount, depending on what I set it to in my game engine in here. And then this is my raycast at 2D, and this is detecting whether or not a vertical line down is detecting any sort of collision. So if the ground info, if the collider is false, if it doesn't detect any sort of collision, it'll then check if moving right is true, and it is. Then it will transform my player, the artwork of the player and the direction it's facing. It will swap it, and then it'll swap it on its x-axis, so it'll switch from facing right to facing left, and then it'll set moving right to false. And so at that point, it'll get to the end of the platform, and then it'll turn around and start moving left and facing left. Otherwise, if there's no ground detection, then it'll reset my enemy character. It'll set its position, which way it's facing and everything, to default settings, and then it'll reset moving right to true. So then it'll start moving right again and facing right, and this will just continually repeat itself. And then we go into our game. You can see here's where it's detecting the raycast, and basically there's an invisible line, and it'll continually detect across this platform if there's any sort of ground collision. And then once it gets past here, it'll say there's no ground collision, you need to turn around. And then this little frog will turn around. And then right here, you can see my audio file is just, you can't see it in the game, but in my scene where I'm editing, you can see it's there just to show that you have an audio file here. So when we hit play, I don't know if you'll be able to hear the music, but in class on Wednesday, you should be able to hear it. So here it is, going across the platform, and then he turns around. So that little invisible vector is, as soon as it becomes false, it will turn this guy around. And it also has a box collider as well, so I can't move through him. I can stand on top of him and all that. So that's all I got. Thank you for your time.